Hi, my name is Vadim. I'm a real estate agent here in Washington State, and today we are talking about the difference between USDA Guaranteed Loans and HomeDirection's USDA Direct Loan. Today we'll talk about the key 6 differences and what you might expect when exploring these loan products. I would love it if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, but most importantly, if you could like and share this video, it would mean the world to me. So let's get started. The first key difference between a USDA guaranteed loan and HomeDirection's loan is the biggest, and that is interest rate. With the USDA guaranteed, you will get the interest rate that is available on the market today. So as of filming this video, that interest rate will look something like 7.5% to 8%. With HomeDirection, if you qualify based on your income, you can receive a subsidized 1% interest rate. You heard me right, a subsidized 1% interest rate, and that is only possible through the USDA Direct Loan. The second difference between a USDA guaranteed loan and HomeDirection's loan is going to be PMI. What is PMI? PMI is private mortgage insurance. This is insurance that you as the homeowner pay in case you default on the loan, and it actually doesn't end up covering you, it ends up covering the lender or the bank. With the guaranteed loan, because the loan comes directly from a bank, there's oftentimes an upfront fee and mortgage insurance on a monthly basis that is included in your monthly payment. With HomeDirection's loan, there is actually no PMI. That's right, $0 that you pay every single month for mortgage insurance. The third key difference between a USDA Direct Loan and HomeDirection's loan is down payment. And there actually is no difference here because with both loans, the required down payment is 0. The only caveat with HomeDirection's loan is that if you have more than $15,000 in assets, then you are required to use everything over $15,000 towards your down payment, closing costs, or moving related expenses. So, for example, let's say you have $20,000 saved up in your account and you're ready to purchase a home with HomeDirection. Well, that means you will have to utilize $5,000 towards your down payment, closing cost, or moving related expenses. The fourth difference between HomeDirection and USDA guaranteed loans is going to be loan amounts. Now, the loan amounts are the same for HomeDirection and USDA guaranteed. For example, in Pierce County, where I live, the maximum loan amount that you could receive is going to be $782,000. But the key differentiator is called the debt to income ratio. With HomeDirection, the debt to income ratio is 41%. That means 41% of your income can be used towards your debts and housing expense. Now, on the guaranteed, it's actually a lot smaller, and that debt to income ratio is only at 29%. So it makes it much harder for you to qualify for a larger loan amount with a USDA guaranteed loan. The fifth difference between HomeDirection and the USDA guaranteed loan will be who can put together your loan. Now, if you wanted to go and get a USDA guaranteed loan, you could call HomeDirection, you could call Caliber Home Loans, Fairway, Chase, Bank of America, or any major lender, and they will be able to help you with a USDA guaranteed loan. HomeDirection's loan is a little bit different, and as you're probably getting the point now, that HomeDirection specializes in the USDA Direct Loan, and they will be able to help process, educate you, and help you get to your certificate of eligibility to go and start shopping for a home with 0 down, a subsidized 1% interest rate, and no private mortgage insurance. The sixth key differentiator between USDA guaranteed loans and HomeDirection loans is probably one of the biggest, and that's going to be wait time. If you are looking to buy a home today in the next 24 hours, then HomeDirection's loan might not be the best option, because with HomeDirection, there is a processing time that is involved with this loan. It varies state by state and varies on how fast you're able to get your documents over to them. But in general, it takes 45 to 120 days for you to get approved for your home loan. Now, with the USDA guaranteed loan, you can get this done tomorrow, and you can even call HomeDirection and they'll be able to help you with this loan as well. But that is one of the most important things to consider when looking at these loans side by side. Now, in my opinion, I can tell you who is a clear winner, and that is HomeDirection, simply because the debt to income ratios, the low monthly payments, no PMI, low interest rate, and some of the other benefits that aren't mentioned in this video. If I was talking to one of my potential buyers, I would recommend HomeDirection. So I'd like to thank you for watching my video. You can check out some of my other content related to home buying, or you can always go ahead and just follow me on Instagram or subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I look forward to seeing you sometime soon.